Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to make money on YouTube without showing your face, just by using AI tools. And to help us out, we have two AI tools with us, Pictory.AI and CHAT-GPT. Pictory.AI is an AI tool that transforms text into video, and CHAT-GPT is an AI tool that generates scripts. With these two AI tools, you can easily create engaging and high-quality videos without ever showing your face on camera, and all with only 3 steps. So let's dive into the steps on how to make money on YouTube using AI tools. Step 1. Pick a niche. The first step is to pick a niche that you are passionate about. It could be anything from gaming to cooking to tech reviews. Once you have your niche, you can use ChatGPT to generate a script for your video. ChatGPT will generate a script for your video based on your niche and keywords you provide. Step 2. Use Pictory.AI to create a video. The next step is to use Pictory.AI to create a video from the script generated by ChatGPT. Pictory.AI will transform the text into a video, complete with animations and images. Pictory.AI makes it easy to create engaging videos that will keep your viewers interested. And since you don't have to show your face on camera, you can focus on creating quality content. Step 3. Optimize your videos for SEO. The final step is to optimize your videos for SEO so that they can rank higher on YouTube search results. Use keywords and tags in your video's title, description, and tags to make it more discoverable. By optimizing your videos for SEO, you will increase the chances of getting more views and subscribers, which can lead to more money. So there you have it. How to make money on YouTube without showing your face, just by using AI tools. With Pictory.AI and ChatGPT, creating quality videos has never been easier. Just pick your niche, generate a script with ChatGPT, transform it into a video with Pictory.AI, and optimize it for SEO. So start creating and good luck. Subscribe to my channel to be notified every time I post a new tips and tricks video like this one.